still on section 6.3, but we're going to go over the guided practice. So let's go ahead and look at problem number 4. Okay, we're just solving this equation. Notice I have an x value on both sides. So I'm going to start off by adding 12 to both sides. Okay, it's going to cancel. And we have 3x, negative 4 plus 12. Remember, anytime I have a positive and negative, you just take the difference between the two. Keep the sign of the larger, which will be 12, because 12 is larger than 4, and that will be 8. Now, I'm going to subtract the 3x from both sides to get it over with the 5. And we have 2x is less than or equal to 8. I'm just going to come over here, so I'll have room. Divide both sides by 2. X is less than or equal to 4. No need to change the sign because we didn't multiply or divide both sides by negative. 1, 2, 3, 4. Solid dot for 4 because it's less than or equal to. Highlight everything to the left. Okay? Now, here we're going to use distribution. Now, I want you to notice right off the bat, both of my m values are the same. So I'm going to subtract those first. That'll cancel. We're going to bring down 25 is less than 17. That is not a true statement, so I'm simply just going to write no solution. The graph of this would just look something like this: 24, 25, 26, and we wouldn't graph anything because there is no solution. Okay, now once again, we're going to use distribution. Negative 8s plus 4. Okay, notice these are just the same, negative 8s, negative 8s. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of them. Okay, that'll cancel. Bring down your 1 is less than or equal to 4. Well, guess what? That is true. Okay, so my graph would just look something like this. And everything would be highlighted because this is a true statement and all real numbers will be my solution. Okay? Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the word problem in example 5. So I'm going to read that. Use the sign shown. Okay, so if you're looking on page 371, a gas station charges 10 cents less per gallon of gas if a customer also gets a car wash. What are the possible amounts in gallons of gasoline that you can buy if you also get a car wash and spend at most $20? So let's think about it. The very greatest amount of money I can spend is $20. So that means everything I spend at the gas station must be less than or equal to $20. So I just set up a verbal model. The price of my gas per gallon is $1.99. I'm going to multiply that by the total amounts of gallons that I need. So that's my unknown here. Plus, I have to add in the price of a car wash, which is $8. And then all of this must be less than or equal to 20 bucks because that's all we have. So we multiply $1.99 times G plus A is less than or equal to 20 and simply solve the inequality equation. Subtract 8 from both sides. Now we have $1.99 G is less than 12. Divide both sides by $1.99, and it tells us that most gallons that I may get